Greetings and well wishes. Lee Boyd and I are here to spend just a few minutes with you speaking about a meeting that we have for you called Essentials and Beyond. Lee, from your standpoint, what do you have in mind?
I think for this clearly Gnathos Essentials and Beyond is a great starting point for anyone that's wanted to start clear aligners in their practice, but hasn't taken that first step and would like to get their toes wet and know where to start so you can have the confidence in case selections and confidence in knowing that it's going to turn out okay. It's a great starting point.
In addition, I can tell you that Lee, as a pediatric dentist, has been remarkably successful in integrating clear aligners as well as fixed appliances within his solo pediatric dental practice. Lee, that's something you're going to help these folks out with.
Successfully integrate it into your practice because our practices, especially pediatric dental practices, are so busy. When we change a new system, it can kind of throw a wrench in everybody's day. So it's really essential that we start having the clinical systems and the business systems set up in the right direction to make sure you get everything flowing and it keeps everybody happy during the day at the office.
Having visited Lee's office, I can tell you that this is a very, very sophisticated, smooth running business machine that he has. We're going to be comparing fixed appliances done with traditional braces, the way I've been doing this in Gnathos for over 40 years. And we're going to compare those to the clear aligner techniques that Lee has developed using these same mechanics, except with clear aligners and attachments. So, for example, Lee, what types of things will you cover clinically?
Clinically, we're going to talk about, crowding, rotations, spacing, class twos, ectopic eruption, and even expansion. We'll even talk about the new Invisalign palatal expander that a lot of people are asking about. Most things we can correct with clear aligners that we can use with fixed braces. It's just applying the mechanics in the right
We
way.
will be focused on permanent dentition as well as mixed dentition, but there will be more of a lean towards the mixed dentition. We will also discuss in detail problem solving. We will be paying attention to the most common hurdles that you need to jump during Invisalign cases.
Yeah, I want to make this a real world application. It's going to be what you see in your clinic, and I'm one that will show you my warts and all. I will show you my good cases, but I'll also show you some things that didn't turn out, but also how you can avoid having that same mistake once I figured it out. But what we want to do is allow you to provide your patients with technologically advanced, modern, individualized, customized care that you know is going to work and how to successfully incorporate that into your everyday practice.
We'll be discussing cooperation, non-cooperation of the parents as well as the patients, and very, very clinically useful and very effective things to start doing when you start realizing this is not moving along the way it should.
And definitive steps need to be taken for appropriate correction. This year's dates and your final opportunity are December 4, 5, and 6, 2025. That's a Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. This is an exclusive and limited attendance course, limited to 25 attendees. And if you are interested in further details, click the enrollment link here. Also, you are welcome to contact Gnathos Incorporated at this email address. Exclusive opportunity. You're going to have a blast.